Welcome back to Kinfolk Farms. This is Shane. Wednesday started opening day of our squirrel season here in Georgia. I'm just getting home from work and I'm wanting to go in here and take a little Bubba to do a little squirrel hunting. But as you can see, it started raining just as I was coming down the driveway. But there's been little passing, little rain showers. So we're going to go in here and see if he wants to go squirrel hunting. I'm sure he does. We texted earlier to see if he wanted to go. The only thing is my little granddaughter. She wants to do every single thing we do. So we're going to see if we can't sneak out without hurting her feelings. Because that poor little thing, she just wants to do everything we do. And she's only one. And maybe next year we can get her out. But right now we're going to go see if we can get Mason dressed, and we're going to get out here and see if we can get us a squirrel or two. Hey, you ready to go squirrel hunt? All right, come on, let's slip out of here. Come on. Come on. You got her, Jessica. Come on. Poor baby, God dang it. Poor thing. Hey, you gotta put your boots on. You gonna go barefoot? You gonna put your boots on? No, you're not going barefoot. You gotta put your boots on.
Are we going down there?
Yeah, come on, let's get your boots on. We'll slide out there.
Why are we going to sit down there? Where's my boots? One there. One here.
Anybody else got a porch full of boots?
What are you get? Whoa. We talk with you.
All right.
Roll on the trampoline.
You're jumping on trampoline. We're going squirrel hunting.
I'll go throw funny going to trampoline.
On the trampoline squirrel hunt?
Yeah.
Huh? You want the squirrel?
Jump wing through.
You can't hold it.
We want to jump on there.
Come on, let's go squirrel hunting. We'll jump when we get done. That sound okay?
No.
No. You gotta be quiet. We gotta slip in here and be quiet. Come on.
What is it?
Why was she? Come on. This is gonna be a long hunt. For only 30-minute, 45-minute hunt. Hey. Hey. Are you ready? Let's go. What are you doing? Come on, let's go sit down. We got a nice little spot, patch of woods right here behind the house. These little squirrels are just loaded in here. This is where my daughter bow hunts at. She got a little tree stand right there. You gotta be quiet. You gotta whisper, Bubba. Come on, let's sit down right here. Wait. You want to tell them what we're doing?
Yeah.
Go ahead, tell them what we're doing.
We're going to hunt.
Squirrel.
Me taking the kid in the hot sauce.
I don't know what that was, but just like any little kid, he sees a tree stand and we gotta climb up here in it.
We see a tree stand.
We see a tree stand, we gotta get in it, right? So we decided not to hunt on ground. He wanted to climb up here and really get some practice in. So we're sitting up here in my daughter's tree stand as he picks the stickers off of it. Guys, if you got any kids, let me just say, squirrel season. Oh, Mason, look. I see a squirrel right there. Wow. See him? See him? Right there. We're going to let him eat for just a minute. Let's see if we get some more, okay? But as I was saying, get your kids in the woods. It's time. It's time. It's time. Ain't that right? This is good practice. This is good practice to teach them to be patient and quiet. Hey, look at that squirrel. I'm going to turn this off and turn this camera around real quick. We're going to get to doing some squirrel shooting. Right? Going. Hey, where are you going? Hey, come sit down. I don't think we're getting a squirrel today. I think we squirrels have got a pretty good chance of surviving today. But this is what it's all about, getting a kid in the woods and just having some fun. I got a buddy back in the day used to say, if you don't get into something, at least you ain't got to clean one. So that's a good little saying. Where do you find an armadillo hole? An armadillo hole? You think there's an armadillo in there? You think there's an armadillo in there?
No.
Throw that stick in there. You better watch it. He might come out and bite you. You get that armadillo stinger on you. We've seen a couple of squirrels, but we just ain't been messing with them much. We've just sort of been teaching him to be patient and to be quiet.
No, he'll bite me.
He's not going to bite. I'm just kidding. Armadillos don't bite. Mace, come here, sit down. Come here. We'll be quiet. We might see a deer. Do you want to see a deer? Huh? Come sit down. Hey. You gonna sit over there? Hey. Sit down right there. No. Boy said he's leaving. He wants some water. He wants some water. Where you going? To get some water? I thought we were hunting. Huh? Hey, come in. Let's tell everybody. We're going to go feed the pigs. We'll go get some water. Hold on a minute. Let me ask you a question. Was that a lot of fun hunting?
Yeah.
Yeah? You had a good time? Did we see any squirrels?
I've seen no squirrels.
We've seen two.
I've seen two.
Yeah, I said we've seen two squirrels.
I've seen two.
We didn't shoot them though. Smile.
I'm not too good, Madam.
What, you thirsty? You ready to go get some water? Is the squirrel hunting over?
Yeah.
Alright, so no more squirrel hunting. So now we're going to go feed the pigs.
Now we're going to feed the pigs.
Go feed the pigs, get some eggs.
Get some eggs.
Yeah, mess around.
Messing around.
Messing around. Alright, tell them bye.
Bye. I'll see you
Push that
in
butt. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, say cheese.
Cheese.
Alright, this is her favorite. Mason said he's done with the squirrel hunting. He's done. He's inside watching cartoons. So we're going to come over here and feed the pigs. That's one of our favorite things to do. I just want to show you the bees real quick. It is hot out here. And when it gets real hot, these bees don't like to be cooped up in these hives. It's called bearding. They'll get out and sometimes they'll be almost touching the ground. I don't know if y'all can see that real well, but them bees, when it gets real hot, they'll come pouring out of that hive. And at night, you can come out here and they'll be just about touching the ground. It's really neat. Really neat. I thought I'd show y'all that. They're settling down. We just had a rabbit stuck in our garden. I had to chase him out. Let me see if I can turn this around just real quick. All right, baby, you stay right there for just a minute. If you move, you stay right there. Pick, pick, pick. Going in?
Yeah.
Come on. Let's go in and see what they're doing. You love your piggies? Huh? They got some watermelons, some peaches, beans, some corn. I don't know if they'll shuck through that corn or not. They are getting so big. Every time I come out here, it seems like they gain 10 pounds. What do you think, honey? You love your pigs? You love them?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to give them some water?
Yeah.
Let's see what the bees are all over here drinking water. Bees are over here drinking water, huh? We need to fill up their little puddle. We need to fill all these up, don't we? We built this little nozzle on here. We put that little nozzle on there. And they use it occasionally, but I think they more use it as a back scratcher than they do anything. Huh? So we just, every time we come out here, we scoop them up some water, but they drink. Golly, they're getting so big. You guys are giant. They're getting so big. Let's put the camera right here for just a minute. Let's see if we can adjust that. I'm scared to get over there. They get so big. What do you say, big boy? Huh? Huh? You want to pet him? She is just out of sight. And that one too. We'll get her in a minute. We'll get her in just a minute. Can you believe how big they're getting, honey? Huh? Goodness. Huh? Can you believe that? We got a watermelon. Alright, that's disgusting. What do you think about them pigs, huh? We'll give them some dry food. Alright, I guess we're going to go ahead and close this out. This is going to be a pretty long video. So let's tell them, say thanks for watching Kinfolk Farm. Say thank you. Say see you on the next video.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mama.